What if I told you the secret for real growth in your life? It's not a secret at all. It's all hiding in plain sight in the places that you haven't been, the people that you haven't met, and the ideas that you haven't dared to entertain yet. Let me dive in a little deeper into this in what I call the new results ladder. But before you go into this, subscribe to the channel. It's real easy. Just click right here. You're gonna receive notifications. Make sure to click on the bell to receive all the notifications about this channel, all the new videos that I'm creating every single week. I am sure it's going to help you, and forward this video also to the people that you know want to have real results and want to grow. Okay, let's start with the new results ladder. The very first step is new places equals new people. Going to new places is crucial. God has designed us to go places to explore. In Genesis 12:1, God gives Abram a very specific instruction. Leave your country, leave your family, go to a place that I will show you. So Abram was literally pushed into the unknown. Okay, you got to think of your room as your comfort zone, right? The walls are made up of your routines, your furniture, it's made up of familiarity. But when you step outside of that room, boom, suddenly the world becomes a mirror. And every new place that you go reflects a version of yourself that you haven't met yet. And in those places, you're gonna collide with people and they have pieces of the puzzle. Yes, that puzzle that you've been trying to build all this time, but you don't carry those missing pieces. And you're gonna find in those people, you're gonna find those missing pieces. There's a quote from C.S. Lewis that I love. And it says that God whispers into our pleasures, but shouts in our pains. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for to take that first step into this new results ladder and meet new people? So the next step for this new results ladder is new people equals new ideas. In Proverbs 27:17 says, as iron sharpens iron, people also sharpens people. Have you ever noticed that the same problem that you have looks different from another person's perspective or in their hands? Because new people are like living libraries. Their stories, their results, their lens, they have different type of lens. So when you listen to new people, you just don't listen to their ideas. You borrow their ideas to mix with yours. So you create new ideas. You basically remix them, and you're gonna create something that the world haven't seen yet. Have you ever asked yourself this question? What if my next breakthrough is sitting in a conversation that I am too busy to have? That is really thought-provoking, right? And then going back to Genesis 27:17, what if God is trying to use a person that is going to be that iron that is going to sharpen you into and mold you and help God mold you into this person that you need to be according to his purpose? And then we're gonna go into the third letter. New ideas equals new actions. And new ideas, it's not about grand gestures, okay? It's about moving you from what has always been to the what ifs. What's going to happen next? When you allow yourself to have your mind transformed with bold new ideas, you're not going to want to go back to your old self. And inevitably, this will generate new actions. You have to understand something really important. New ideas are just seeds. Action is the water that is going to make those seeds grow. And allow me to declare this in your life. You're going to start taking action with the gifts and talents that God has already put in you. Because the parable found in Matthew chapter 25, it tells us about that burying our gifts is not humility, it's disobedience. What if your act of disobedience right now is holding on to those gifts and talents that God gave you, and you're not sharing right now to new people, to the world? And maybe your gifts and talents, there are people outside that are praying to have those same gifts and talents that you have. And then our last step is new actions equals new results. You just don't find new results. You build them brick by brick, action by action. And here's a little twist for you. The results that you might find, they're probably going to be different from those you expected. You know why? Because they're born from a version of yourself that did not exist before you took that step out. Taking that step of faith will lead to results that you haven't even imagined. Because when we act in faith, the results are better. You know why? Because they're not just ours, results are His as well. For I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper, not to harm you, the plans to give you hope and a future. These aren't just words that are found in Jeremiah 29:11. These are decrees over your life. And for those who in faith take action according to His plan. Now, do you want results or you want everlasting results? Why don't you just turn that someday that you've been saying to today? I hope that you enjoyed the new results letter to success that we covered on this video. And if you enjoyed it, give us a like, share this video to someone that you know needs to grow and is struggling to find purpose and to find a path towards this new results letter. I'll see you on our next video. God bless you all.